And the next keyword that we generally hear is what is known as acceptance criteria. So the acceptance criteria is basically a list of uh, uh, a checklist kind of a thing, which will ensure all the basic scenarios of a user story is covered as part of implementation. So by the time acceptance criteria means that the customer or the product owner would be able to uh, pick that up and deploy into production because the basic functionality of a feature is working. So every time a developer or we say that the user story is complete, it is validated against acceptance criteria and ensure all the items in acceptance criteria are covered and tested. Right, and expression criteria is at a story level. It can be at a feature or an epic level, but it's generally at a story level, so that at the end of the sprint we can validate the story against acceptance criteria and then move it to production. And the next keyword is definition of done. Definition of done is generally applied at the sprint level. It is not at the story level. So when definition of done could be completion of all the features or all anything that we need to complete in a sprint. It could be the feature, bugs, or any which indicates that the sprint goals are achieved. Right. So definition of done, again, it will be like a checklist, a list of tasks to be done or list of accomplishments to be done in a sprint. If all of them are done, then we say the sprint is complete, and then it is tracked against this particular checklist called definition of done. And in generally, you will see definition of done and exception criteria is always confused. It is always good to use exception criteria at a story level and definition of done at a sprint level.